hope everyone is doing well, whether it be morning, noon, or night that you're watching this video, bringing you some cleaning motivation from my home to yours. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Please keep it positive. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. I picked up this descaler from Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be a good time to run this through my coffee maker. I make about 2 cups every day. Generally, it says use every 1 to 3 months. So it has been a while since I've cleaned it, so I thought it would be a good time to try this out. So I'm going to follow the directions that you see here on the bottle. I'm going to completely dispense the liquid into my coffee maker. Then I'm going to fill the bottle up with water, fill it all the way to the top until I can get a full reservoir of liquid. Then we're going to run a total of 55 ounces, which is a full coffee pot, and we're going to run that through and let it start doing its job. So here it is. It's working now. It is processing now. I'm going to let it go through one time completely here. Then I'm going to do it 2 more times as well, just to make sure the aftertaste is not lingering. Then I'm going to continue on back to the kitchen area. I'm just going to wipe down all my countertops. I do this several times a day, every day. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my countertops and my stove area. So I use the Lysol or Clorox disinfectant wipes. Sometimes I will buy the Dollar Tree disinfectant wipes as well. I'm curious as to what everyone else uses. Sometimes I use pure alcohol and just a microfiber cloth. What does everyone else prefer? They say that alcohol is a natural disinfectant. So I think it is a great option if you don't want to use have all the waste products from the wipes and just want to use your microfiber cloth as a disinfectant as well. So this is all the dust, dirt, pet hair, and dander in my handheld vacuum. Then I emptied that out and cleaned that up. Thank you for your viewership and your support as always, especially if you've made it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation, whether it be to motivate you or to entertain you. I hope that you got what you were looking for today. And as always, thank you and stay tuned for the next one.